Alright, this here is my 1973 or possibly 1974 K-mart Lakewood P-23. This fan I picked up off the side of the road. It was thrown out for the trash. I think I picked it up in the summer of 2020. And I honestly don't understand why somebody threw this thing away because it is in really, really good condition. So this was a really lucky find because rarely do I see a fan on the side of the road to begin with, and when I do, it's usually a cheaper new one or sometimes the occasional 90s Galaxy or Lakewood 200 they're all beat to hell, and I don't even bother with them at that point. But this one was the first time in probably about 15 years that I found a metal blade Lakewood in the trash. So naturally I screeched to a halt and pretty much did a U-turn to go around and get it, and I'm glad I did. When I got this thing, it was absolutely filthy. This is one of the dirtiest fans I ever had to clean. There was so much dust in it that it barely even pushed any air anymore. So I cleaned it and oiled the motor, polished up the blades, and, well, it shined up like a new penny. I'll go ahead and turn it around to the back side. The only flaw on this fan is that it is missing a few grill slats in the back there, but that's nothing that concerns me too much because it's in kind of a spot where you can't see it unless you're actually looking at the back of it. But amazingly, the grills have absolutely no yellowing whatsoever. They are bright as white as can be. Unfortunately, at some point, somebody decided to clean the top of this thing with a rather harsh, possibly a bleach cleaner, because you can see where the top of it is lighter than the rest of it, and it kind of dripped down in some spots. On the other side, same thing. There's the top. But surprisingly, the rubber feet on the bottom on this are actually a blue color instead of the normal white. They actually match the color of the fan. And they're still there, and they're still soft and malleable. They're not dried up and cracked or missing like most of them are. And this particular fan, I believe, out of all my Lakewoods, which I do have a lot of them, I believe this one has the best startup sound out of all of them. So go ahead and fire this puppy up on high. Bearings are in really good shape. It spins down for a little while. Honestly, for a trash find, this was one of my best fan finds. But get you guys a startup sound. So here's high. thank you for watching.